Well, after a long wait and inspection,
bike's already falling apart.
they're already falling apart.
We're gonna go from alcohol to nitro. You see how clean we keep the bike around here. A lot of that dirt did vibrate off though when I ran it.
Yeah.
Alright, those are tight.
It looks like it's already run before, but this was just the dirt he accumulated from coming across the dry lake bed, sending up a trail of dust and dirt. You can find out where your leaks are pretty quick. It leaves a wet spot.
Smells a little more like that. Didn't have any smell to it before.
It's been jiggling around.
Just be mixing it up a little bit.
That didn't take long.
Thinking that's all we're going to get out of that.
Yep. There's your funnel.
I don't need the funnel yet. I got to run the alcohol off the bike. That's nasty alcohol. I got to get. It's not all going to come out of that tank because it's sitting at the bottom, but I'll at least try to get what I can out of it.
Yeah.
I'll run it until it won't run no more. And then switch over to the good stuff. Funnel should be in the back of the truck. Actually, I think it's in the left front. Much fuel.
All right.
Yeah, dead flowers. It wouldn't run out of fuel.
Yep. empty the float then.
Like using these pliers right here. Enough to keep running. Well, it's warmed up now.
Yep.
It's the second time I run the bike, so that's like riding it twice for rings, right? They're broken in now?
Yeah, definitely doing better. You haven't blown it up yet.
So we take out the dinky one.
Yeah.
That's only 160, I think. Yeah, 160, that's real small. That's half the size of the other one. Where's all the jets at?
I don't know. See the funnel in here? I don't see it.
Right here.
You got it? What is that?
Which one? That one.
The biggest of the biggest?
The biggest one I got, yeah. The biggest one you can possibly make, too.
Yeah, it's pretty thin and don't blow on the edges.
Well, I couldn't go any bigger. I already split the tube.
Yeah.
I reamed it out and split the tube. So I got an extra 10 more thou out of it or something. Yeah, it's about another 20 more than it was, I think. Yeah. It's 335 instead of 320. 15 pounds. It's lightweight for racing, too.
Oh, you're going to save that half an ounce?
No, this is brass. It's heavy.
That was a joke, but I guess your response will work.
Oh, the dirt blew out. It's clean. Oh, it's almost clean in there. Oh, yeah, it's perfect.
Could probably take that one strap off and get out of the way there, Tatro.
Somewhere we got a 1-inch wrench. I don't like using these pliers for important stuff.
That looks like exercise. There's the funnel. There's the funnel. You said it was up front. That's why I was up front several times, but it wasn't up front. It was in the back. All right. Hang on.
You need to wash the bike, put some shoes on next time. They might pass you through. What happened? We got a suit?
One more time. Last time. Told you before. I'm not going to tell you again. One more time. You probably heard that the last time.
Is this a single you were racing a real long time ago?
Yep, same bike. I think I brought my wrench with me. So we got a crescent.
Oh, you got your official 1-inch wrench.
Yeah, that'll work.
Somebody sold you a new suit out here?
Well, he got permission to use.
Right up. Well, I'm not gonna bother you.
Currently, no, just hang out. It's like
You last in line? I mean, you're in a hurry or what?
No, I'm 50th in line.
They don't go too quick through it.
I'm sure I'm way past my time already.
So you can't really view them going down the side anywhere, huh?
no. So the people look. The big crowd is way down there, right?
Go all the way down to this side, down as far as you want.
But you're so far from the track.
No, you-
Yeah.
You could still
Safety,
see them
that's
come
safe.
by because, well, that's the only thing coming by.
I'd bought some killer binoculars. I'd be able to see them if I want to go
Yeah.
down there.
Why don't you go on down there? I mean, we're like going to be doing this for an hour, so
Yeah.
a couple hours.
So at least it's not that damn hot.
No, it's not bad yet. And
Oh, we were in 107 yesterday and hanging out in it too.
Well, it's a dry heat.
Well, coming from Houston, yes, indeed, this is nothing.
Are you filming or what?
Yeah, I've been having it run the whole time.
Well, you're talking, so I don't know if you're filming or not. If you're filming, you gotta let them know you're talking. Talking about stuff.
Oh, it's fine. Now we're filling. No, I was pointing down range and like go down there and watch from the sidelines. That's what you do.
You know what you're doing?
You didn't pay attention, did you?
I try not to.
What did I do, Van? I
This full
said
yet?
I pointed down there.
Correct,
I said, go
Tatro.
drive down there, find a good spot. Maybe you pull up and it'll be somebody drinking. It's actually kind of cool just to walk along. So go like about halfway or so, and then just kind of walk up and down, and because people put everything, all their stuff is on display. If they're not racing, it's on display. It's actually pretty cool. I did it one year when I could still walk.
I'm just parked by the start line. Seems like a pretty good place. You see everything. And
Yeah, that too.
You can't see them blazing. I need to go down there.
You just go down.
You can see better from right here, actually, than
Well,
anywhere over
well,
there.
any-
So
You
I
can see
get
stuff
it.
here, you're way behind you.
Any way down there.
The wind's kind of a good direction today, too. Does it turn around ever? It's always like this.
This usually goes this direction, yeah.
Yes, now it's everywhere.
So it's a good day.
It goes all directions. It's just as nice and cold today. It was a lot hotter in May. It's July. It should be 110.
Yeah, that's great.
It should be 110 to 15 right now. I'm good with that.
Yeah.
The air was 4,500 foot. It was 5,900 when I ran last one. That's a little different.
All right. Well, you guys decide what you want to do. I mean, this is what it is. It's
It will
hurry
sound
up,
different now.
hurry up and wait.
Okay.
Plan, and then don't do what you
Put it
planned.
back up front. All right, we'll get in line and then
Yep.
find our lighting procedure.
All right, that's it. We're gonna go get in line. We'll be back when we get in line. Show you what's next. We are progressing in the right direction. Once again.